Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got this little, it's actually an external control panel for a Dell printer model number B as in boy 1265 DFW. It's not much to it, and like most electronics, I don't expect to find much in it. So let's see what's in it. And only 4 screws on the outside, probably 300 inside. Oh, that's landfill. What's in here? Oh my. That's landfill. Where did I put it this time? Let's try this. Maybe I'll play with that later. Look at all these buttons. A little silver in there. Not much to it. A little battery. Give me that. That goes in here with all the other ones. Put a wire on here. That's not the one. Oh, I see. It's 2. Well. Should just come right off. Ooh. That is gold flashing right there, if I'm not mistaken. Where's my silver? Straighten these out. This should just come right off. They never do. That one's soldered. That'll be easy. Not. Oh. Medic. There, it's fine. Let's try this method. There we go. Garbage. What was that? Nah. It's nothing. We're fine. Nothing to see here. That's got some gold flashing right there. Take this little off there. Give me these wires. Fine. Where'd you come from? There. Uh-oh. Where I lost it. There it is. Haha. Apparently I lost another one. You see the silver right there inside that one. Yeah, you just take these tops off. They're of course magnetic. Inside there, as you can see in this one, it's a teeny tiny dot. Which, if you collect them all, you'll someday be collecting them still. I got some gold here, a little bit of silver in here, this crappy wire, and that's it. Oh yeah, and the battery. Ooh, look at that. That is golden color. Very nice. Thanks for watching.